Welcome to Pulkit Tech, where technology meets creativity and data tells a story. Today we dive into the art and science of data visualization techniques. Imagine turning numbers into narratives and statistics into stories. That's the power of data visualization. In a world brimming with information, clarity is key. With the right tools, complex data becomes clear, compelling, and most importantly, actionable. Whether you're a student, professional, or enthusiast, mastering these techniques will elevate your presentations from mundane to memorable. We'll explore tools that transform raw data into visual masterpieces. From bar charts to heat maps, each tutorial is crafted to enhance your skill set, ensuring your next presentation captivates your audience. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a well-crafted data visualization is priceless. It's not just about presenting data, it's about telling a visual story that resonates and inspires. So stay tuned and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. And if you find value in our tutorials, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content. Here at Pulkit Tech, we're not just showing data, we're showcasing innovation. Thank you for joining us, and let's make data beautiful.